Hello, everyone, and welcome in. I'm Taffany, and this is Tika's Gardens. And as you can see, we have bags of mulch all over the garden. So today, that is the plan. We're going to start laying the mulch. Well, I shouldn't say we, because I have traveled. So Miss Tika and my husband Chris are going to be laying the mulch for us. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we've got, a few light weeds here and there. Some areas are a little heavier in the weeds, as I have looked through the video that my husband recorded, because I haven't been there really to pull weeds and maintain things as I normally do. So he's going to pull weeds and lay the mulch down and try to do a thick enough layer to, give us some protection, to, kind of ward off any future weeds. But I am getting to see my garden by video because I am not there, and I'm really missing it. And even more than my garden, I really miss my Tika. But I am traveling for business purposes, and you have to do what you have to do. So this is my husband's first time recording himself and being out in the garden and all that. So any mistakes or anything you see, just give him a pass. This isn't what he usually does, so he's doing the best he can, but he's showing you guys here what things are looking like, so you can kind of get an idea of what kind of work lays ahead for him. So it's weed pulling and then laying down the mulch. So we're gonna just sit back and watch this together and see if he does a good job. So you guys, give an extra thumbs up for this video, because he really did his best to help me out and get this mulch down, and I really appreciate it. So I have to say thank you. I am so happy you did this for me. And I doubt that he will probably be able to get all of this done in one day. So we'll probably we'll only probably see part of the yard done in this video, and he'll finish it up in the next video. I'm pretty sure he's not going to be able to get all the weeds pulled and the mulch down all, in this one swipe. So anyway, we're going to watch him get this mulch down, and we'll get a look when it's all done at how much better this looks. Well, guys, he is done for today. I think it looks good. I really like this mulch too. It is a living earth hardwood mulch, and so it's, you know, no dyes or anything like that, which I always try to go with, especially here in our back garden where we have herbs and food stuck, you know, throughout the garden. But I think it looks good. He has the areas from the back, you know, door or entrance into the backyard, all of the way into the bedroom garden and out towards the walkway that leads to the vegetable garden. So he covered a good amount of territory. The only part of the bedroom garden that he did not get is the area along the back fence. But he has everything done where the Barbados cherry is and the navel, I'm sorry, but this is a Valencia orange tree, and he's got this area done. And look at the oranges on the tree. They're getting bigger, so I can't wait to taste my first orange this season. And of course, Miss Tika is always nearby to help out and give her opinions. But yeah, I think everything looks good. And, you know, as I had stated before he started, I knew that he would not be able to get the entire yard done in one day. So we will finish it up in the next video. But for now, I just really love the way it's looking. And fresh mulch always makes the yard look so neat and, you know, clean and put together. So I'm enjoying what I'm seeing from afar. But I want to thank you guys for joining us in this video today. And remember to get out and do something you love, make a memory for the day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.